Ladies and gentlemen, after this next band performs, we'll have another 15-minute intermission to let the judges regroup and prepare for the final set of preliminary performances. We encourage you to use this time to visit the concession stand, and again, I'd remind you to please visit the Thunder Drum and Bugle Corps souvenir stand. And while you're at that souvenir stand, please buy lots of stuff. Remember, we've got raffle tickets for that beautiful pearl drum set that's sitting out there. As I mentioned before, if you have a drummer in the family, you simply have to have a drum set in your house. Also remember, we're raffling off 2 great seats for the December 5th presentation of the Broadway show The Lion King at the INB Performing Arts Center here in Spokane. Let me tell you a little bit about those seats. There are 2 seats in the center of the house, about 6 rows back from the stage. These are a $296 value, and you could potentially win them for only $20. Tickets are $20 for 1, $50 for 3 tickets. And that drawing will be held November 1st. So once again, please visit the Thunder souvenir booth right out by the south gate and buy as much stuff as you possibly can. We thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the field from Yakima, Washington, the West Valley Ram Marching Band. West Valley's show this year is called Chaos Theory. A little bit about this band: they won first place in the AAA Large Division at the Harvest Marching Festival in 2007. And second place in the AAA Large Division at that same show in 2008. Are the judges ready? Drum majors Tyler Jones and Max Archer, is your band ready? West Valley High School, you may take the field in preliminary competition. Ladies and gentlemen, under the direction of Ron Gerhard Stein, with assistance from Madeline Danahaney, the West Valley High School Ram marching. Ladies and gentlemen, on the far north end of the field, on the other side of the building, all of the bands today are having a group photograph taken by professional photographers. You can place orders for these bands by going up there and filling out a form. Orders for the pictures, I should say. They're beautiful pictures. I've seen them. We have them taken every year. They're collector's items, and it's something I'm sure you'll want to get. So, to warm up, take a little hike up the hill and sign up for some photos. Okay, as I promised, it's time for our second intermission. This intermission will last 15 minutes, and again I will announce when we're within 5 minutes of beginning so that you can have time to return to your seats before the band starts. The next band will begin at exactly 12:45, so please be back in plenty of time. Again, visit the concession stand, visit the Thunder souvenir booth, buy things, and support this great activity. Thank you.